We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the iced out game controller Pendant, a cool and stylish hip-hop chain necklace by Sokokichi. This product has caught the attention of many buyers, especially as a gift for younger audiences, and here's what they have to say about it. If you own this item, be sure to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The pendant itself is designed with a game controller theme, making it a standout piece for gaming enthusiasts or anyone who loves unique and bold jewelry. Customers have frequently mentioned that the necklace has a surprising weight to it, which gives it a premium feel. Many buyers were impressed by its substantial build, describing it as heavy and sturdy. One customer noted that their 9-year-old was thrilled to receive it as a gift, and the overall presentation in its packaging added to the excitement. The packaging was described as nice and thoughtful, making it an excellent choice for gifting occasions like Christmas or birthdays. The design of the necklace has also received compliments for its aesthetic appeal. The iced-out style of the pendant has garnered attention and compliments from others when worn. This makes it not only a fun accessory, but also a conversation starter. Parents and grandparents who purchased this necklace for their children or grandchildren shared that the recipients were overjoyed with the gift, often describing their reactions as being over the moon. It's clear that this necklace can bring joy to younger audiences who appreciate its unique style. However, while many customers were initially impressed with the product, there are some recurring concerns about its durability. Several reviews mentioned issues with the pendant breaking shortly after purchase. For example, one customer shared that the charm broke off the very next day after gifting it to their grandson. Another buyer reported that the pendant came off within a week's time due to issues with the rings holding the clasp and charm together. These rings appear to be a weak point in the design, as multiple reviewers have pointed out that they opened up or failed to hold securely. Some customers took matters into their own hands by repairing the necklace themselves using crafting supplies like split rings. While this workaround allowed them to continue using the product, it's clear that such repairs should not be necessary for an item at this price point. The need for additional reinforcement detracts from what is otherwise described as a well-made and visually appealing piece of jewelry. Despite these durability concerns, many buyers still felt that the product was worth the money due to its heavy feel and stylish design. Those who experienced no issues with breakage were generally very satisfied with their purchase. The quick shipping time was another positive aspect noted by customers, adding convenience to their buying experience. In summary, the iced-out game controller pendant is an eye-catching accessory that appeals to gaming fans and those who enjoy bold jewelry styles. It's particularly popular as a gift for kids and teens who are often delighted by its unique design and presentation. The necklace's weight and appearance give it a premium feel that has impressed many buyers. However, potential buyers should be aware of reported durability issues, particularly with the rings connecting the pendant and clasp. While some customers have successfully repaired these issues themselves, others opted to return or replace their purchase due to concerns about long-term reliability. If you're considering this necklace as a gift or personal accessory, it's important to weigh its stylish appeal against its potential need for repairs. For those willing to make minor adjustments if needed, this could still be a worthwhile purchase that brings joy to its recipient. Don't forget to check out the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing this product and supporting our channel. And if you already own this item, please leave your thoughts in the comments below to help others decide if this is the right choice for them.